This is a step-by-step tutorial on how to set up ProDeskSim's Boeing 777 Ultra with Microsoft Flight Simulator 2020-2024 and PMDG 777. Open the control menu and find Throttle 1 and Throttle 2 under Power Management. Click the empty box in front and click on Start Scanning. Move Throttle 1 up and down, and repeat the same for Throttle 2. The next step is to set up the reversers. Under Power Management, find Throttle 1 Decrease. Click on the empty box in front of it. Click on Start Scanning and cycle Reverser 1. Click Validate. Then find Throttle 1 Cut. When the dialog opens this time, make sure to change On Press to On Release and assign the same button here. Click Validate and click on the box in front of Throttle 1 Cut again, and ensure On Press is changed to On Release. This step is important because due to a bug in MSFS, this process needs to be repeated. After doing this, redo the process this time for Throttle 2. Next step is to set up Auto Throttle Disconnect and TOGA. In the control menu, click on Search by Name and search for Disconnect. Auto Throttle Disconnect will have two empty boxes in front. Click on the left box, then start scanning and press the left Auto Throttle Disconnect button. Click on Validate, and this time click on the right empty box and again start scanning, and this time press the right Throttle Auto Throttle Disconnect button. To set up TOGA, search by name and type GA. You will find Auto Throttle to GA. Click on the left empty box in front. Start scanning and click the left TOGA button. Validate, then click on the empty right box. Start scanning and click the right-hand side TOGA button. Click Validate and you are all done. Happy flying!